In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can find Clipboard in your keyboard. First of all, if you want to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text. Now, to find it, you need to access Clipboard. To do it, after launching your keyboard, you need to tap on this icon at the top left corner and choose Clipboard over here. Now, to paste anything from it, click on it. Then choose Paste option on the left. If you want to delete anything from Clipboard, click on it as well. And this time tap on Delete in the middle. To go back to standard keyboard, click on the same icon at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!